Balling on a budget production.
We're the last of the cowboys, giddy up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James, a modern day outlaw gang. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition, diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the ropes, we were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling, we're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys, the giddy up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed.
Alright guys, update. It's the next day, as you can tell, it's bright. And as you can see behind me, we went ahead and installed the passenger side stack. We're gonna show you guys that right now, show you what we've done. So yeah. Alright, so what we've done so far, that's the new stack right there. Anyways, I think last I left off is where I marked the lines. Got the the bracket mounted up. Oh shit. And then we put the stack up, got it lined up, drilled the holes in the cab, mounted it. So tightened it, and it's as straight as it's gonna get. So yeah, it's looking good. My other brothers are underneath the truck right now, taking off the old Y. It's rusted, no good. Alright guys, we marked up the elbow just to get a test fit to see how they're gonna line up the white pipe on the bottom. But that's that. That's what it's gonna look like. Fingers cramping up. There it goes. There you go. There you go. And then kind of close, but yeah, you can see. Got enough clearance over here, plenty over here. So if whoever wants to change up the pipes, you can still fit 8s with no problem. And there's in the center between the beginner sleeper and the door, which we wanted them centered as much as possible. And yeah, there it goes. Perfect. The perfect you're gonna get, at least. Shit. Wait. There you go. You got the white pipe running, we got the elbow connected, mounted. Go ahead and show you that right now. Alright, this is the side that's finished up. Got the elbow mounted up. There it goes. Fucking work. This side's finished up. See, it has a good gap there, decent gap here. And there it is. Just gotta muck up the other side, run the flex pipe, and we should be done. We'll get it here, hear how it's gonna sound. Wait, keep tripping over that. Alright, here we mounted up the stack. This is the bracket I had mounted. Went ahead and lined up the stack. Brought the second clamp up to the cab. And as you saw, the other side was already mocked up. We just we put up the elbow. My brother measured the flex pipe, which is the noise you hear in the background. It's cutting up there's the elbow. There he is, cutting the, show the flex pipe. So yeah, get him out of the elbow right now, connect the flex pipe. We should be good. And then we'll get to see how it sounds, hear how it sounds. We'll go from there. Let's get it. I'm recording, bro. Chill. Yeah, you're good. Let it go, George.
What you do right now? Whatever did it, kind of shoved it in a little bit more. Okay, no, whatever you did, it moved and it started shoving in, like you started moving in.
Getting the flex pipe ready.
One more clamp.
Alright, guys. Finished it up. He's finishing up tightening the last clamp down there. Well, there it is.
I am finished, right?
He's finished. Check that out. Done. Done. Now we just turn it on and see what it's gonna do. There it goes. We is finished. We is motherfucking done. Let it rip, tater chip.
That's a big ass potato.
That's the whole potato itself.
That's the whole potato.
First start up. There it goes. The finished product. My turn. Don't mind the mess. Interior shot again. Get it. There it goes. My bad. Finished product. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Pain in the ass, but we got it. Oh no. Oh no. We are done. Let us know what y'all think. If it looks like shit, let us know. If it sounds like shit, let us know. If it sounds alright, it looks alright, let us know. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Finished up his stack installation. Let us let us know what you guys think. Let us know if you guys like it. Where is he at? That's the owner right there, my brother.
Hi guys.
Yeah, and with that being said, guys, we'll see you guys on the next video.